Welcome back to the discussion and thank you for always joining us. This is KCSE 1997 paper 2 number 9, a question on binomial expansion. And the question reads, expand and simplify 1 minus 3x power 5 up to the term x cubed. Hence use your expansion to estimate the value of 0.97 raised to the power of 5 correct to 4 decimal places. As usual, we are going to bring down the expansion or the expression which is 1 minus 3 x raised to the power of 5. Remember, we are going to begin with 1, which is the first term, raised to the power of 5. We multiply by the second term, which is minus 3x. This one begins with the power of 0, plus the power of 1 comes down to 4. Then we multiply by minus 3x raised to the power of 1 from 0. Remember, the powers of 1 will descend as the powers of negative 3x ascend, plus 1 power 3 multiplied by negative 3x, this one is squared, plus 1 power 2 we multiply by minus 3x cubed, and we stop there since we are supposed to expand up to the term x power 3. After we have done that, we simplify. Negative 3x power 0 is 1, 1 power 5 remains 1, and therefore 1 times 1 will be 1. We have 1 power 4 which is 1 and doesn't affect negative 3x power 1 will be simply a minus 3x. Then the next power we have is going to be even, and therefore the sign that we are going to use is going to be positive, because negative 3x squared will give us 9x squared, and lastly it's a minus because the power is odd. We are going to have negative 3x cubed, which is minus 27x power 3. Once we have done that, we insert the coefficients of power 5, and the coefficients of power 5 will be 1, 5, 10, 10, 5 and 1, but we need the first 4 terms, and therefore we are going to multiply up to 10. So 1 times 1 will give us 1. Then we have 5 times minus 3x will give us minus 15x. Next we are going to have 10 times 9x squared, which is going to give us 90x squared. And lastly minus 10 times 27 will give us minus 270 x cubed. Once the expansion is complete, we can now use the expansion to estimate the value of 0.97. So the first thing we are going to do is to equate the two, that is 1 minus 3x raised to the power of 5 being equal to 0.97 is the same as 1 minus 0.03 raised to the power of 5. 1 and 1 will cancel, the power of 5 and the power of 5 will go, such that we remain with minus 3x being equal to negative 0.03. And if you want to get the value of x, we are going to divide both sides by negative 3, giving us x as 0.01. Once we have gotten the value of x, we can move and substitute it back into our expansion. So the expansion is 1 minus 15x plus 90x squared minus 27x, that is 270x cubed. But remember, the value of x is 0.01. So we are going to take 1 minus 15 times the value of x, which is 0.01, plus 90 we multiply by x, which is 0.01 squared, minus 270 into negative 0. That is positive 0.01. Then of course cubes. And if we make use of our calculator, the value to this is going to be 0.85873. But according to the question, we are supposed to give our value correct to 4 decimal places. and therefore the value that we are going to end up with is 0.8587 correct to 4 decimal places. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, you click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification. Thank you and welcome.